There is blood on the streets, my friends. Crypto is crashing. Is the thesis of Bitcoin's retracement and Altseason now out the window? I want to talk about it, talk about the different scenarios and what we can expect next. We have even Michael Saylor tweeting out McDonald's memes. We have Luna stablecoin getting depegged. There's some problems there, and a bunch of other liquidations and numbers I want to share with you guys. But there is some bullish news, and that is Instagram is about to integrate NFTs from Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, and much more. Let's break it down. Welcome back to the Thinking Crypto podcast, your home for cryptocurrency news and interviews. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, and leave a comment below. Quick word from our sponsor, and that is iTrust Capital, which allows you to trade crypto within a retirement account, essentially an IRA. This gives you huge tax benefits and savings. iTrust Capital has a full platform with 25 plus cryptocurrencies, 24/7 trading. They have a full mobile app, which is on iOS and Android. They have top of the level security. They use Coinbase custody, which a lot of institutions use. And best of all, it's free to sign up. There are no monthly fees or subscription fees or anything like that. If you use my link in the description, you can get a $100 funding bonus. So be sure to check out iTrust Capital. Go head on over there, sign up for free, and see if it's for you. Well, guys, I don't want to look at the price list, but I have to because we got to talk about it. Right now, Bitcoin's at $30,725. Ethereum just over $2,200. BNB at $306. XRP at 49 cents. Ouch. Solana at $64.95. Cardano at 62 cents. Ouch. Guys, it is bloody out there. There's blood on the streets. Now, I've been here since 2016. I've seen this and worse. Now, this is pretty bad. I'll give you my full candid statements and thoughts and what I'm planning to do. Right now, I am in a holding pattern. I'm not buying any dips. I'm not selling anything because I am here long term. I did take some profits last year. I wish I took a bit more, but I did take some. And we've been, looking at Bitcoin's respective retracement. It was in this channel, this range, and it broke down from that, guys. We are down in some uncharted territory here. We haven't touched the lows from the last summer's crash, summer 2021. But hey, Bitcoin can certainly do it. Nothing's off the table right now. I don't care if anybody says this time is different or this can't happen. Anything can happen. It's a matter of probabilities. How likely is it, right? So will Bitcoin even retrace? I don't know, guys. There's three scenarios here. One, this is the crash heading into the deep bear market. It may not be as of a brutal bear market like it was in 2018 to 2019. I think there's more holders of Bitcoin and crypto, and that includes institutions. So it's not going to be as brutal, but there will be a bear market. This right here, if you're watching the charts, rest assured a bear market's coming, but that's okay. That gives you an opportunity to buy the lows, right? We've talked about it over the years. It sucks when you're going through it and the emotions, but when you step away from the emotions and you look at this, this is when you want to be buying blood on the streets. Now, I just said I'm in a holding pattern, but I'm just talking in principle that whether it be in stocks or real estate or whatever it is, precious metals, you want to buy when there's blood on the streets. That's not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy. I'm just talking about general investing principles. This is what has helped me make money in the crypto market. I bought in the bear markets when it's bloody, when people are scared, when a lot of the mainstream people are running the opposite way. I'm doing the opposite of them. So it's be greedy when others are fearful and fearful when others are greedy, right? So once again, scenario one, this is us going to the deep bear market. Scenario two, Bitcoin could still bounce up from some support levels, maybe 30K, and work its way up to the retracement. And this is what analysts like Blockchain Backer have been, kind of tracking and going through. But, there's no certainties or guarantees. These are all probabilities. Three is that we are still hear me out now. We are still in a macro bull cycle, and this is the least probable scenario that Bitcoin could still skyrocket to 100K. Once again, the least probable scenario. I think the most likely scenario is that Bitcoin is going to bounce and head into the retracement, and I think Altseason may come. But look, I could be wrong, right? These are all different theses and probabilities. So just be prepared, though, for these scenarios. In my mind, I have accepted the fact that, hey, show's over, right? Turn the lights off, lock the doors up. It's over, bear market. Now go into DCA mode, accumulate, and wait for the next bull cycle. So that's where we're at, guys. A lot of uncertainty, a lot of fear in the market. We'll see what happens. And we're seeing high correlation between the crypto market and the stock market, guys. Stocks are, of course, down as well. So there's macro trends affecting the crypto market. That is definitely what we're, I think, verified and certainly been proven true over the past year. Now, even Michael Saylor, who I've called the biggest Bitcoin bull ever, he tweeted out this morning the McDonald's meme here of him working at McDonald's serving fries. So this has been like a meme shared within the crypto industry, but you got Saylor doing this. Now, here's the tricky part, my friends. Saylor, he's going to have a margin call. I think if Bitcoin hits like 20K or something like that, he better pray that doesn't happen. And I hope it doesn't happen. I don't want to see him wrecked. He holds a lot of Bitcoin, and right now he's, I think, operating at a loss based on his average price that he has bought. So I'm sure his portfolio is down. He said he hasn't sold any Bitcoin. He's here long term, but this is still nervous times, guys. This is cold sweat times for some of these guys who are holding a lot of crypto. Now, I don't use leverage, so I'm sleeping well at night. I didn't invest my life savings. I'm sleeping well at night. I have my 401k, I have my savings, and then I have my money that I invested. So I'm still up to a certain degree because I've been accumulating since 2016, 2017. Some of you may have bought last year, whatever it may be. And here's my advice to you, because I remember I bought at certain points when the market was high in 2017, and I just hodled through, and then I made my return. So obviously, though, if you need the cash, then you got to liquidate and move forward. And I hope none of you are using leverage, because leverage will get you wrecked. And I've said that many times. Now, here's a number that's pretty crazy. $508 million has been liquidated from the cryptocurrency market in the past 24 hours. So just 24 hours. When you count going back to Friday, it's probably in the billions already that have been liquidated, guys. Tough times. I can't sugarcoat it here, guys. This is bloody. Now, what's interesting, El Salvador bought the dip. President Bukele tweeted out 500 coins at an average price of approximately $30,744. So buying the dip, guys. Now, some people may be like, oh, you're so stupid or whatever. But once again, investing principles, buy to low, sell to high. And when there's fear and blood on the streets, that's the time. Even Warren Buffett, these guys have said it. That's the time to be buying, whether it be crypto, stocks, whatever it may be. We've seen when you zoom out and look at markets from a macro level, it's a line going up, guys. Yes, there's peaks and valleys in the middle, in the days and the weeks and the months. But from a yearly standpoint, this is a great buying opportunity. Once again, not financial advice. I said at the beginning, I'm in a holding pattern. Even I don't have the stomach to risk my capital at this point, especially in this macro environment. It's not so much crypto, but what's happening overall with economy, recession, and so forth. So I'm hoarding cash at this point. And Bitcoin retraces and we have Altseason, I'm taking profits. Let this be a reminder to you guys to take profits and be patient and understand the market cycles. Now, this is some not so good news. So UST, which is the stable coin from Luna, is in absolute free fall as it depegs from the dollar. Bitcoin liquidation becoming a concern. Look at the chart here. It was pretty bad day. Now, Do Kwon tweeted out that he's deploying more capital, steady lads. Let's see how this works out for him. But it kind of sucks, the market crashing. But let's see what happens. And a lot of folks were paying attention to this because Do Kwon and Luna, they've been buying a lot of Bitcoin, and the reserves for the stablecoin is Bitcoin. So we shall see what happens. I hope he doesn't get wrecked or anything like that. Once again, I'm not here to say people should get wrecked or whatever. I hope people make money, and I want to make money, and I hope you guys make money, and I hope some of you made money last year. And I've said many times, be diversified. So if your one horse doesn't win the race, you got some others, and you can make money off of those. So I hold XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, different ones, took profits on some of those as the prices went up. Now, look at this. Meta's Instagram to support NFTs from Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, and Flow. The social media powerhouse won't charge users for showcasing their crypto art. Guys, this is huge adoption news. I know it's, not a bullish time. Sometimes it's hard to, even read through this news because the price just the price becomes the big thing right now because we're crashing. But this is huge for the future adoption of crypto. So non-fungible tokens from some of the most popular blockchain networks for crypto art are coming to Instagram with the announcement of a pilot as soon as Monday. The social media powerhouse owned by Meta is planning NFT integrations for Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, Flow. CoinDesk has learned those networks host the vast majority of trading collectibles, with Ethereum and its Bored Apes leading the way by market cap. The pilot will feature a small group of NFT aficionados based in the US. It wasn't immediately clear whether Instagram would support NFTs for all 4 chains at launch. Guys, you got these social networks with billions of people on them are going to be integrating NFTs and different crypto technology and blockchain technology. I just hope you see what's happening, right? And that you look past the price to see the technology being adopted and being used, and it's growing year over year. You're seeing the adoption grow, and price, just as we saw last year, will follow the adoption, right? I've been here since 2016. People said Bitcoin couldn't hit 20K and they couldn't, or this coin couldn't hit this price. Well, it did. And it did it again in the next bull cycle. What do you think is going to happen in the next bull cycle as we have this level of corporate and mainstream adoption, guys? So, like I said, I'm here long term. I know some people want short term quick gains, but that's not always the case. Sometimes you got to wait years. So just be patient. This is interesting. Nouriel Roubini, who I think is a big time clown. And he's been criticizing Bitcoin and crypto for years. Well, all of a sudden, crypto critic Nouriel Roubini is working on a tokenized dollar replacement. Wow, Nouriel. Oh, now we know what's going on. It's always the biggest critics that you see them capitulate in one way or the other. Jamie Dimon, well, talk to me about Bitcoin. You'll lose your money. It's a scam. Building JPM coin now, offering crypto services. So this is unbelievable, guys. Here's what Joe Weisenthal, of the co-host of the Odd Lots podcast, had to say. He said, wow, after years of building a reputation of a Bitcoin/crypto/blockchain skeptic, Nouriel is launching a new crypto project designed to create a new superior inflation-proof dollar. Good luck with that, Nouriel. What is it they say? First they laugh at you, then they fight you, and then you win, and so forth. I forgot the full story there, but we're just seeing that play out in different facets of the crypto market with different critics. Finally, guys, OneChain and Cardano's IOHK are collaborating on enabling interoperability between the Cardano mainnet sidechains and other blockchains. OneChain will deploy cross-chain bridges and serve as an EVM sidechain to Cardano. So this is some good news. I remember OneChain integrated XRP, I think it was last year. I'll be interviewing Charles Hoskinson again in a couple of weeks. So I'll be talking to him about this and much more. If you have any questions about Cardano and ADA for Charles, leave them in the comment section, and I will definitely take a look at that. Well, that's the news, guys. I mean, pretty much it's the price, right? Everybody's in a waiting pattern here. What is going to happen next? And boy, I hope my scenario of Bitcoin's retracement and Altseason happens. If not, once again, I'm mentally prepared for the worst case scenario, and that is bear market for maybe the next year, and then we start working our way up. But we'll see what happens, my friends. Fingers crossed. Let me know what you all think. Leave your thoughts and comments below. Hit the thumbs up button, share this video, and I'll talk to you all later.